Okay, please all stand. Jane Marie, please lead up us the prayer. So, good morning, class.
Good morning, sir.
Before you take your seat, please pick up Mrs. Trash under your chair. And, okay, you may sit down.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, class. Let us have first a review about the topic we discussed yesterday. Who can give the last topic yesterday?
Sir,
Yes?
it's all about the type of hazard.
Okay, very good. So, can you give one type of hazard? Yes? Okay, very good. So, can you give one example of biological hazard? Jaymadin. Very good. So now, before we will proceed, before we will start our new lesson, I would like to share a short story. It is a story about Kevin the caregiver. Would like you to know the story of Kevin.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So, Kevin is a caregiver. One day, her mother got a sick with bad viruses. Kevin would like to help and take good care of his mother, but he is afraid that he will get himself sick too. He needs something to protect his body, but he doesn't know what it is. Kevin needs your help. You can help Kevin. Yes. Okay, so before we gonna tackle a new lesson, I want you to remember our objective. So, identify the different personal protective equipment for caregiving and its function and uses. Demonstrate the proper way and wearing personal protective equipment in, in carrying and so value the importance and benefit of wearing using the personal protective equipment. So, class, get one for sheet of paper and please answer this. Um, okay, pass in the center aisle. Okay, now we're gonna go to the groupings. Group yourself into two groups.
Sir, counting, sir.
Yes.
One, two.
Two. Okay. Get this envelopes. Okay. Set up of rules and activity first. So, one is respect one another opinion. Two, observe silent. Three is maintain the class cleanliness of classroom. So, group number one. So, okay, to help Kevin, you will be divided two group each group. So, will be given the task. Would you help Kevin to take good care of his mother? It is clear, class.
Yes.
So, each group will be given an envelope with tasks inside. You will only given by 3 minutes to accomplish it. After 3 minutes, one of you will be read number one, please present your activity. Please read the
Can need
definition.
something to protect his eyes. What things can be used so that he can take care of his mother? Your answer will be given provides.
What is that?
Eyes. To
Okay,
protect his eyes.
protect his eyes. Very good. So group number two.
Kevin needs something to protect his mouth and nose. What things can be used so that he take care of his mother?
What is that?
Mask.
Very good. So please pass it forward. Okay, we're gonna go to our new topic today. So, class, do you know what is this?
Yes, sir. It's a safety goggles.
Safety goggles. So, who can read?
Sir,
Abdullah?
eye protector is needed to protect our eyes from being injured, especially when taking care or handling sick people.
So, yung eyeglass is, ginagamit ito ng caregiver to protect their eyes sa mga may mga sakit tulad ng mga yung pasyente nila sa iba't ibang hospital. So, do you know what is this? It's a mask. So, please read the definition of mask. Very good. So yung mask ginagamit natin or sa pang-araw-araw ng mga doktor or caregivers para i-protect ang kanilang sarili sa paglanghap ng mga iba't ibang bacteria or kung ano pa man yung masama or epekto na inilalanghap nila. So, do you know what is this?
Rubber gloves.
Hey, Jimmy, please read.
Hand gloves are needed to prevent direct contact from hazards such as blood, viruses, and bacteria that may cause disease.
Very good. So yung gloves is ginagamit ng mga caregiver to protect their hands to um, avoid contact with blood or viruses. So ginagamit yung gloves upang maprotektahan yung mga kamay nila sa mga pasyente na may contaminate ng blood or viruses na nakita nila. So, um, do you know what is this? So, a doctor. So, it is the PPE of a doctor. That is white cloth. So, white cloth is indeed to protect their body from direct contact from hazard. So, hindi lang sa ordinary na gamit ang ginagamit ng mga doktor. Need rin nila is yung white gown or white cloth para ma-protect or kapag matapon man yung dugo is may protective sila o gown. So, in groupings or um, in groupings, so class, again, what is personal protective equipment? Anyone? So personal protective equipment is the equipment used to avoid the protective avoid the viruses and protect our bodies from different hazards. So can you enumerate the different types of PPE? You saw here in ano? Yes, Ate Mark?
Google, gloves, mask, and
think of a situation wherein PPE necessary? Kailangan ba namin gumamit ng PPE? Bakit? Ano? Very good. So what do you think is the advantage of or the benefit of PPE, especially taking care of sick people, like what you said, patient and coronavirus? So, do you think may advantage ang PPE? So, bakit?
Just like what you said, sir, is it can protect you from harm or hazards.
So, what do you think will happen if you don't use PPE and you need to take care of the sick people?
Hawa, sir.
Okay, mahawa. Okay. Why do you think important of caregiving using Why do you think PPE is important to the caregiving? So, to protect their bodies to contaminate with bacteria or viruses. So, in application. So, please, group 1 and group 2, please make this one or model it. Or we do the group 3 na lang. So, example, draw or stretch scenario if what will happen if we don't use a caregiving PPE. So please draw group 1 and group 2. Please draw as an kapag hindi sila sumuot ng PPE, ano ang mangyayari sa kanila? Okay?
We're done.
Okay? So, pass it forward. Okay. Get one for sheet of paper. For our quiz. So, identify what it is being asked on the following statement. So, number 1 to number 6. I give you 5 minutes to answer that one. One for sheet of paper lang. Okay, please pass it forward. Okay. For your assignment, for our next discussion, research about the different viruses and health being affected by human. So, it's called for peace day. Goodbye, class.
Goodbye,
Bye, sir.
Ako na babalik. Hindi mo ba ako pwede?